Hello, welcome back to Build It Like Billy. Today we're going to do the second of our videos on paper planes. Today's paper plane is going to be the Moth. To get started, we want to fold our piece of paper in half lengthways. When we do this, we want to make sure both of the corners line up as perfectly as possible. When they're in the right place, we want to fold it nice and flat. Nice firm crease. So we get a nice sharp edge. Then we're going to open it up with the fold upwards. Now we're going to fold in the front two corners of our plane. When we do this, we want to make sure the edge of the paper lines up neatly along the centre fold of our plane. And we can fold it flat, making sure it's a nice firm crease. And we're going to repeat it on the other side. Line it up neatly with the centre and make a nice sharp crease. Now we're going to fold the whole front of the plane over. So when we do this, we want to make sure that the centre lines up nicely. And then we can fold it flat. Next stage is to fold the two sides in. When we do this, we want to leave about 1.5 centimetres in the middle, and then we're going to take the corner and fold it in until it touches the centre line of the plane. So it looks like this. And we're going to repeat it on the other side. So we leave about 1.5 centimetres and then fold our corner in to touch the centre line of the plane. Now to lock these two parts in place, we're going to take the centre corner and fold it back on itself. So it'll hook over, and then when we fold our plane up, this will lock these two sections of the wing in place. So push it nice and flat. So now we're going to fold our plane in half. Make sure all the creases are pressed down nice and firm to get nice sharp edges. Next stage is to fold our two wings out. So at the front, we're going to go about halfway along the front edge, make a little crease. At the back end of the plane, we want to make sure the edge of the wing lines up nicely with the tail of the fuselage. Fold it down firmly. We're going to repeat with the other side. So about halfway down the front, making sure it lines up with the other side. When we fold the back end down, we want to make sure that the back two corners here line up nicely. And this should make sure that we get a nice symmetrical wings to our plane. Open it up. We want the wings to be in a bit of a Y shape. This makes it fly a lot more stable. And then to add a little bit of lift, we're just going to tweak the corners up on the tail of our plane. And that's it complete. When we hold our plane ready to throw, we want about halfway back. We want to make sure the wings are lifted slightly just to make it more stable. Alright, let's see how it flies. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, click on the thumbs up icon below and give us a like. And if you'd like to see more things to make and create, click on the subscribe button in the corner of the screen or on the red subscribe button below and check out our channel.